In today's video, I'll show you how to use the Save to Notion extension to capture articles. We begin inside our empty Notion workspace. To set up our tool, let's head over to the Chrome Web Store and find the Save to Notion extension page. Click on the blue Add to Chrome button, and when the confirmation pop-up appears, select Add Extension. It will take just a few seconds to finish downloading and install itself. Next, open the web article you want to clip into your database. Navigate to the top right of your browser, click on the Extensions menu icon, and select Save to Notion. The extension panel will open up on the side. Click the Login button and select Continue with Google. Choose your account. Click Continue to grant permissions and wait for the system to complete the login process. Once inside, click Add First Form to set up your saving rules. We want to save web pages, so select the Articles option. Click Duplicate Template, verify that your correct workspace is selected, and then click Add to Private. The extension will create the form with fields for your titles. Simply click Save Form to finalize the setup. Now, close the configuration pop-up. Let's save our page by clicking the extension icon once more. The details are automatically captured, so click the blue Save to Notion button at the bottom. Once it's saved, click Open Page in Notion. A new tab will load, asking you to sign in. Click Google and choose your account again to authorize the connection. Your web article is now fully imported into Notion with all its content and links intact. Scroll down to check the formatting. To see where it lives, navigate back to your main workspace sidebar and click on Articles. You will see your clipped page sitting perfectly inside your inbox, and that's it. That's how you use Save to Notion to clip web pages.